Nakikita da nga ng guide kadakwada during our kamukakan ni Mayor. Then I would ask as a mother to guide and advise them among di kita kapusukan da ka barbarudang but then I will be there as an angel. Wow.
Yes.
Tama naman yan. If I were there, pwede naman natin for our senior citizens. Among the senior citizens, they are being taken care of by our government. Pero in the local government, adadamit pwede namin magagawa, di ba? So that kako, syakon, because I know already anong mga needs ng ating kababaihan. Kat alam makita yung medyo panaglupos di babae dito eh. Before they were so extremely very shy. Itatangkat they come out, they participate in programs, they also dress up. Ngayon mapandabat ag estilo, ayan, agpakulot amitin, and that was those are the improvements nga makita tayo. Idi akit ay adada di kita taga barbar yung kungkunada kadakwada. But then during our administrations we tried to raise them up. Handa nga ako because we have the same desire. No, anyaman ti kayat kung babae nga India. Hamok nga kasya may ti kayat na welfare for their own family, for their own homes, at saka education for their children. Kasi po nang sa bagay, dahil ito ay 4-piece, kat nrugi tayo ti 4-piece And then the government came in, so we tried. Iti may isang talaga nga inkarikon nga hang kami nga dataretang high level in the first place, I also realized na we are of advanced age sa kunadan, although no kayat ko pa ikat pwede kuma. But then we give chances for our younger leaders. Isod ka po ng the giant, I am with them in their desire to serve also. Tap na iti kasakit na mas energetic sila, and then they can monitor anywhere, no bantay man, no barangay man, no daldalan man. Kit no da kami, akit at least makita mi. Hamong halalang picture na.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nagserbi ni Mayor for all his life after retirement. And he gave every effort, every energy, tiba ng papintas na mo ti Pinili. So ka po na at least, padayawan tayo na ito. Who gave his life, kita mo na-bypass the heart na 2011. During that time nga, he was working. So ka po nang dayjay medyo may isang, but very sincere ko na even at this time makapag-signature pa. Hindi po may unmimit and akit it is I help him, I go over the papers, no, walang problema, signan tayo. Ada problema akit ibalik ko nga. Very seldom kasday mo.
Ma'am, mabalin nga naganam dagiti nangi pasublatan nyo iti turay iti Pinili Ilocos Norte.
When nakapila kami met
Yes,
anak and then syempre we have for mayor ni Romel Labasan nga vice mayor, nagbalin nga Sanggunian, naging kapitan. So he rose from the ranks. Kaya may isang responsibilidad ti leader is to raise also leaders. Mabalin, akit po madpadam at kadagiti kayat mo nga ramiden ti ilim, di ba? So, isot para para mayor natin. For Vice Mayor, adamo dito apo Sanggunian nga nakadado ti resolution na magkada ordinansya nga naaramin na ata iso ni apo Mayo bumanglag. Yan, di kiti konsehal Akit anda dito ni Maggie, di gitu akit comment
Ito yung convent, ma'am.
convent. Ada ni Maggie Coloma, ada ni Jerry Fernandez, ada ni
Sir
Amor Bagarino,
Yes, ma'am. Erickson
ni
Lugo.
Eric Lumbo. So, lima daket
Yes,
na
ma'am.
incumbent. May ikalima ket ni sino tinalipata kon Jowe?
Jerry.
Nalpasan.
Ni Sir Julius, ma'am.
Ni Julius Fernandez. So those are the 5 incumbent who desires to serve again. Tapno may itultuloy na mo digijay. Wada desires na to improve yung mga barangays nga naka-assign nanda.
So ma'am, iti kay panagpilakit ko na nga si kanto iti mangi 11 or mangi daulo iti kababaihan, most especially iti senior citizens, ma'am.
When. At saka not only that, we would really like to find out mga causes digito young pregnancies. Kasi takit problema natin ti sociedad data. Because the earlier they are going to bear children, the more ang population natin, of which we are trying to control through planning. Mamakit na pusok lata tumubing, no kasyan. But then, isupay di jay with our senior citizens and the women, mo yung meti women, nga sakmeti ng rugi dito. Oo, isod ka po ng ado, met pailakit dito. Mabalin kayo nga itulong dakwada.